Hey, I'm Joey, and welcome back to Dad's Simply Cooking. On today, I hope you're ready because we're going to be making some classic Amish pancakes. You heard me right. I know there's tons of recipes online, hundreds, thousands, millions. Fully aware of this, and you can probably find this recipe anywhere. I'm going to state that now. But the other week, I was browsing through a thrift store and I found Lancaster Amish Cookbook. Lancaster Amish Cookbook, and I started looking at it and I was like, wow, this is from 1982. Pancakes and cereals. They have delicious pancakes, they have pancakes, oatmeal pancakes, waffles. And if you're new around here, I make simple, easy dishes, break it down so it's simplified. So an average dad like me can make this for my family and we can all enjoy it, okay? I'm a trained chef. You don't gotta be a trained chef. We're here for simple. So we're gonna do 1.5 cups of flour. So this can be any flour, I guess, because it doesn't specify. I'm gonna use all-purpose flour. Probably not self-rising flour. Probably wouldn't be the best either. But 1.5 cups of flour. I need to refill my flour jar. 1.5. 2 teaspoons or tablespoons of sugar. It's a big T, so I'm assuming tablespoons. 2 tablespoons of sugar. 3 teaspoons of baking powder. 1, 2, 3. 1 teaspoon of salt. And that's it for our dry ingredients. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to mix that in together, whisk it in, so everything's broke down and not in clumps. Now it calls for 3 tablespoons of oil. So once you got a good mix, I'm going to do 3 teaspoons of oil, or tablespoons of oil. Alright, let's do my 1 egg. And then my 1 1/4 cup of milk. One cup and a 1/4. What's wrong? What? What's wrong? Huh? Pancakes? Does that sound good? Now that we have our batter made, we're going to go ahead and start cooking these. Okay? So she should be good and ready. Now I'm going to make a normal pancake or 2 normal pancakes. And then I'm of course going to have to add some chocolate chips because that's what the kids love. So. Little early, but I saw this cookbook in a thrift store when we were walking through, and Jerry's, oh, check this out. And I was like, oh, that's interesting. I started looking through it, and I was like, that wouldn't be a bad idea to try to make some of these recipes. So I figured I'd pick it up. It's only like $5. So I did. I haven't regretted it since. I feel like I look online for recipes, and there's just so many I get lost in it. I was Pinterest, and I'm just like, it all starts blurring together and looking the same after a while. So it's always good to have a good cookbook from time to time. So, and if I had my own cookbook, it'd be the perfect time to plug it, but I don't. Oh, it looks so good. Perfecto. It's the simpler recipes, just like this, like, a few ingredients out of your pantry. Alright, y'all, and look at that. These pancakes are good and fluffy. Just all around looking overall delicious. Chocolate chip, chocolate chip. Alright, y'all, look at that. That looks absolutely delicious. Get some of that butter smeared on around there. And let's give this a taste try. Amish pancakes. That's good. That's good. So y'all, I'm gonna feed these rotten kids up. We're gonna go eat together as a family. I love you. I'll catch you in the next one. If you will, I would greatly appreciate it if you would like, comment, and subscribe. It all helps out. If you enjoy my channel, let me know what your favorite breakfast dish is, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Over to the next platform, and then you can either hop to that one and then walk to the walk, or over here to the rock wall.
Sorry, do you really want a trampoline?